Hello, good morning everyone. Before class we have discussed about the trigonometric values from 0 to 90 and after that quadrant angles means 180, 270, 360 degrees. Now today I have discussed about the sign of the trigonometric functions and allied angles is very important class. Today one is very important class. Okay, now I have discussed about what is the meaning of the allied angles, what is the sign of the trigonometric functions, what are the quadrant angles. Today we will discuss. Now what is the meaning of the allied angles? Allied angles, sum of the two angles is equal to sum or difference of the two angles is equal to 0 or angle is multiple of pi by 2 or 90 degrees are called allied angles. Sum of the two angles or difference of the two angles or angles are multiplying with 90 are called the allied angles. Now we have discussed about we know that the quadrant angles, what are the quadrant angles? 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees are called allied angles, are called the quadrant angles, Now sign of the trigonometric functions. First of theta is the angle, minus theta means in clockwise direction. Observe that sign of the trigonometric functions, very important one. Sign of trigonometric functions. Now listen carefully. Now we will take the coordinate axis. For suppose this is OX, initial line, rotated some angle, rotated from here to rotated some angle in anti-clockwise direction. From here this point is something P. Now joining this one, this angle is theta. Now rotated the same one. Now this is, suppose this is Px comma y. This length, draw the perpendicular from P to the x axis, that is something Pm or Pm. What happened this one? This is y, this is x, base is x. Now rotated in clockwise direction here. Now this angle is 100%. What is the angle of this one? Minus theta. Now for suppose this point is P means this point is P dash. What about the P dash? Whatever maybe means this one, observe that circular, we will take the circular path. First, second, third, fourth coordinate. Fourth coordinate is y is negative, x is positive. Now for suppose this is x comma minus y. Value angle is same but the direction will be changed. Whenever the direction, this is clockwise direction means compulsory angle is negative angle. Whenever the anti-clockwise direction, this angle is 100% positive. Say yes or no? Now this one also we draw the perpendicular. Compulsory it meets at the M only. Why? It meets M only. Why? Because the base length is same. Angle, this is the hypotenuse means radius, 100% this is the radius. This is the radius of the circle. Now we will take the circle part. Okay, no problem at all. Circular part. We will take the circular part. This is the radius, this is the radius, this is the side. Side angle side means these two angles are must and should. These two triangles must and should congruent triangles. That's why what is the meaning by CPCT? The remaining parts must and should equal. Remaining parts must and should equal means this one also equal. But different in the sign, no problem. This is y means this is minus y. Length is more or less, but indication is minus y. Now from this triangle, in a triangle, you observe that in a triangle OMP in numerator, you apply the first suppose sin theta. What about this one? Sin theta is equal to, what is the definition? Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, y by r. Now in the triangle OMP dash, say yes or no? OMP P, OMP dash. Now, in a triangle OMP dash, what is the angle means? Minus theta. Now, sin of minus theta is equal, what is the definition in this one also? This one by this one, that is minus y by r. That equal minus y by r already we find. What is that one? Minus sin theta. Sin of the negative angle is equal to sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Okay, understood or not? Sin minus theta is equal 100% minus sin theta. We remember that one. Next we will go to the cos. Now cos of in the same triangle, cos of minus theta. In this triangle, a triangle OMP dash, cos of minus theta, what is the definition of cos means? Adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is equal x by r. From this one, what is the cos theta? Cos theta is equal in this one also x by r. In the upper triangle, observe that cos theta equal x by r. In this one, cos of minus theta equal also x by r. That equal x by r nothing but the cos theta. Listen, cos minus theta is equal to how much? Cos minus theta is equal to cos theta only. Sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Cos minus theta equal to cos theta. Sin of minus theta equal to minus sin theta. Cos of minus theta equal to minus cos theta. Now we have discussed about the tan of minus theta. Third one. Tan of minus theta. What is the formula of tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta. Here, sin of minus theta by cos of minus theta. Understand? Sin of minus theta value how much? Minus sin theta by cos of minus theta means cos theta. That equal to minus sin by cos means tan theta. Now cot theta, cot of minus theta. Cot of minus theta is equal to, cot theta means 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan of minus theta. That equal to 1 by tan of minus theta value minus tan theta. Minus tan theta. 1 by tan means cot, that equal to minus cot theta. Listen carefully. Sin of minus theta equal to minus sin theta, cos of minus theta equal to cos theta, tan of minus theta equal to minus tan theta, cot of minus theta equal to minus cot theta. Now secant of minus theta. Similarly, what happened secant of minus theta? Cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. Secant of minus theta, that equal to 1 by cos of minus theta, that equal to 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta means secant theta. Secant of minus theta is equal to secant theta. Next, cosecant of minus theta, last one. That equal to what happened? Tell me. Minus cosecant theta. Now, you remember these formulas very, very carefully. You remember these formulas very, very carefully. Understood? Cosecant of minus theta equal minus cosecant theta. Now, this is the sign of the trigonometric functions. But suppose, what is the value of sin of minus 30 degrees? You know the sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees is equal, you know very well, that equal to 1 by 2. Sin of minus 30 degrees. First you remove the sign. You remove the symbol. What is the negative? You remove the negative. Sin of minus theta. What is the formula of sin of minus theta? Sin of minus theta equal minus sin. This minus appears in front of the trigonometric function. That equal minus sin theta. That is minus sin 30 degrees. That equal minus sin 30 is 1 by 2. Just simple observe that. Understood or not? Yes. Now, next we have discussed about this is sign of the trigonometric functions. Now, allied angles. What are the allied angles? This is very, very important topic for class 10 and class 11 students, whatever may basics of the. Now, these trigonometric ratios, how many trigonometric ratios are there? 6 trigonometric ratios. These 6 trigonometric ratios, they are classified in coordinate axis. In quadrant axis. You know the quadrant axis means the horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called y-axis, the point of intersection is called origin. The coordinate axis divides the plane into 4 parts. You know very well. Already you know, but listen carefully. This is the horizontal line. The horizontal line is called x-axis. This is the vertical line. The vertical line is called y-axis. Those two are mutually perpendicular lines. Now the point of intersection. This is the point of intersection, that is called the origin. Yes or no? Origin. This coordinate axis divides into 4 quadrants. the plane divided by the coordinate axis into 4 parts. Each part is called quadrant. Quadrant. This is the first quadrant. Suppose this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is the fourth quadrant. In 4 quadrants. What is the coordinates of the point means? This is x comma y, x positive, y positive. This is second coordinate, x negative, y positive. In third coordinate, x negative, y negative, x negative, y negative. In fourth coordinate, x positive, y negative. Now this is, for suppose in this one, now starting with here. Now rotate in the anti-clockwise direction. 0 degrees. At the center 100%, this is one circular rotation means that equals 360 degrees. Now this is 0, this is 100%, 90 degrees. 0 to 90. 90 before 100%, less than 90. First of all, angle is theta, 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta, that is called allied angle. Okay, above 90 means 90 plus theta, whatever may be. This is 180 degrees. Here 100% 270 degrees. Here 360 degrees. These are called quadrant angles. What are the quadrant angles means? 0, 90, 180, 270, 360 degrees are called quadrant angles. Now how to find the allied angle? For suppose you know very well. Now you can take the unit circle. Unit circle, what is the meaning of the unit circle? You know very well. Unit circle means the radius must and should is equal to 1. Just I am explaining one part, after that we will do other one. Very simple. This is called, for suppose whatever may be, this is round or not. Okay, this is the unit circle. You will take the unit circle. Unit circle means radius must, this is, for suppose this is the initial line. OX is the initial line. Okay. Now for suppose here any point you will take, here any point you will take, no problem at all. Now rotate here, this is the rotation. Now he will take this one. This axis is rotated from this one to this one. Initial line rotated to this one. Make some angle. This is called theta. These two are the rays. In between the space is called measurement, that is called angle. You know very well. Now for suppose this is the point P. P for suppose x comma y, no problem at all. Now this is the radius, is unit radius. Now we draw the perpendicular. What happened? For suppose the perpendicular is this one. This is m. You know very well or not? Now the distance from P to the x axis always is equal to y. This is nothing but the x. Now the angle is theta. Say yes or no. This is 90. This is theta, this is 90. What about this? Sum of the angles in the triangle is how much actually? How much? 180 minus 180. But suppose this is 90 degrees. It is, you don't know, this is suppose x. Theta plus 90 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of the angles in a triangle is equal to 100%, 180 degrees. Now theta plus x is equal to 180 minus 90. 180 minus 90 means 90. Now x is equal to 90 minus theta. Now this angle is 90 minus theta. Simply have to show that. This is the first coordinate. This is second coordinate. This is third coordinate. This is fourth coordinate. What is the nature of the trigonometric ratios? First, in first coordinate, what one formula we remember? What the formula means? What the formula means? After that, I have discussed this one. Okay, 1 minute. One formula is all. Next one silver. All silver. Next one tea cups. This is the formula. In anti-clockwise direction, all silver tea cups. All means all trigonometric ratios are positive. In the first coordinate means 0 to 90 degrees means angle is acute angle. In that one 0 to 90 degrees, you have to show the, you have to see in that one. What is that one means? Tabular form. 0 to 90 degrees. Any trigonometric ratio value is negative or not? Any trigonometric ratio is negative? No. You saw already. One table form is there. Sin 0, sin 90, sin 30, sin 60, secant 30, whatever may be. You saw that one. In that is 0 to 90, 100%. Every trigonometric ratio in from 0 to 90 degrees is positive. Okay. And this is why all trigonometric ratios are positive. In this one silver. What is the first letter? S. Okay. Which trigonometric ratio starting with S? Which trigonometric ratio starting with S? Total 6 trigonometric ratios are sin, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. Which trigonometric ratio started with S? Actually sin. secant, sine. Sine reciprocal, cosecant. Those two are positive. Sine and cosecant are positive. But remaining how many? Remaining 4. Remaining 4 means tan, cos, cot, secant. Must and should what happened? Negative. Third one, t. First letter t. What is the trigonometry ratio starting with t? Tan. What is the reciprocal of tan? Cot. These two are positive. These two are positive. Remaining, the remaining must be negative. What are the remaining means? Tan cot. Other than tan cot means sine, cos, secant, cosecant must be negative. Cos c. What are the trigonometry? Main trigonometric ratios. Cos. What is the reciprocal of cos means? Secant. These are positive. Remaining must and should negative. Now consider. You see once. Here all positive. 100% sine positive. Here sine positive. Here sine negative. Here sine negative. Now here all positive means cos positive. Here cos positive. Here cos negative. Here cos negative. What you observe that? Every trigonometric ratio positive in the two coordinates and negative in the two coordinates. Every trigonometric ratio positive in the two coordinates, negative in the two coordinates. Say yes or no. Every trigonometric ratio positive in the two coordinates, negative in the two coordinates. Every sign, which coordinate positive? First and second positive. Third and fourth negative. First and second positive. Third tan cot positive means remaining negative. Fourth cosecant positive means remaining negative. So in the examination point of simply is given. Sin theta equal minus 3 by 4. Sin theta equal minus 3 by 4. What is the meaning of that one? Sin theta is negative and theta does not belongs to third quadrant. Theta not in third quadrant. Here actually sin theta is negative. Sin theta negative which coordinates? Third and fourth quadrants. Sin theta is negative in third and fourth quadrant, but theta does not belongs in third quadrant. Must and should it belongs in fourth quadrant. Understood? Not understood? Yes? Okay. Every trigonometric ratio is positive in the two quadrants. Is positive in the two quadrants. Remaining two quadrants must be negative. Any trigonometric ratio. Tan, for suppose. Tan positive first and third. These two must and should negative. You know the tan means automatically cot. Reciprocal of tan means cot is positive in first and third. For suppose cos. Cos is positive first and fourth. These two are negative. Okay? Dear student, understood or not? Yes. Now, in this one, I have discussed about the, okay, this is, now this triangle you observe that. Now, what are the allied angles you know? This is 0 above, this is 90. Now something angle is theta is there. Below 90 means theta is whatever may be. 90 minus theta. This one above 90, here below 90. Carefully listen. 0 to 90 degrees. 0 to 90 degrees in first coordinate. 90 to 180. Above 90, below 180. 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta. Where theta is the acute angle 100%. 180 plus theta, 90 minus theta means theta is acute angle 0 to 90 degrees only. For suppose here 90 plus theta. For suppose theta 110 degrees, what happened? 90 plus 110, 200 degrees. Is possible or not? Here 90 minus theta. Where theta 100% is acute angle 100%. Understood or not? This is theta means this is how much? This is 90 minus theta. Generally observe that. From year to year how much? 90 degrees. This is theta means this is also 90 minus theta. Say yes or no. This is 90. For suppose these two are parallel lines. Just simple. This just simple. These two are the parallel lines. Vertical lines are parallel lines. Now what about this? This is the transversal line. Transversal line. This is the for suppose x-axis. No problem. This is x-axis. This is the transversal line. For suppose this angle is, for suppose this angle is 90 minus theta. What about this one? 90 minus. These two are equal. Say yes or no. You learn in the class 9. This is a transversal line. This angle must be equal. This is theta means this is 90 minus theta. Is 100%. Already I saw that one 90 minus theta. This one 90 minus theta. This one also 90 minus theta. Understood or not? Say yes or no. Yes. Listen carefully, each and everyone, very easy. You remember that's what happened means, for suppose I am asking 182, for suppose 210 degrees. Just find the value of sine of 210. Immediately your mind is going on 210. 210 means 0 to 90 first coordinate, 90 to 180 second coordinate, 180 to 270 third coordinate. 210 degrees means third coordinate. Therefore, the value lies in the third coordinate. 180 to 270. 180 to 270. 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta. Why 180 plus theta? Means more than 180, less than 270. Where theta is 100% acute angle. Means in between 0 to 90 degrees only. Lies between 0 to 90. Now this is 270 to 360 in fourth coordinate. First we remember what is the coordinate system. The coordinate system divided into 4 parts. How to define the trigonometric ratios in the coordinate system. Now what is the first? All silver teacups. In this, what is the meaning of all? All trigonometric ratios are positive. What are the angles in the trigonometry? Means 90 minus theta. Means 0 to 90 degrees, 100%. 90 to 180 in second coordinate. Next, 180 to 270 third coordinate. 270 to 360 in fourth coordinate. Understood or not? Yes. Now here observe that in this triangle OMP, in a triangle OMP, simple, okay. In a triangle OMP, cos theta, first of all you write the cos theta, angle is theta, cos theta. Cos theta definition, x by 1, that equal x, cos theta equal x. Next, sin theta equal opposite side by hypotenuse, that equal y. You remember this one. What is the value of x means cos theta, what is the value of y means sin theta. X is equal to cos theta, y equal sin theta. After we rotated, what happened means, for suppose this is, for suppose he will take here, for suppose this is rotated, means whenever you rotated here, for suppose you will take this one, suppose p means this is p dash, this length, what happened this one? This is 100% 90 degrees, this angle also for suppose theta, no doubt at all. Here what is the OM? OM is x. Here for suppose he draw the perpendicular, this is ON. Here PM is there, PM. Here P dash M. What about these two triangles must and should? These two triangles must and should the congruent triangles. 100%. What about this angle? Here this is theta 100%. Observe that. This is the theta. What about this angle from here to here? This is theta. What about this? Total how much? From here to here how much? 90 degrees. This angle is how much? Theta. Now what about this angle means 90 minus theta. 100% here angle is 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta lies in which coordinate? First coordinate. What are the coordinates of this one? One thing you remember, whenever we rotated here, those two must be changes. What is changes means? This y-axis will be changes into the x-axis. This x-axis will be changes into the y-axis. You remember that one? Means x, y is there. Now here compulsory y comma x. Y comma x. Understood or not? Y comma x. Y comma x. Y comma x. This angle is the cos theta. This angle is the sin theta. This what is the angle? Here theta is there. Cos theta. Cos theta equal x. Sin theta equal y. Here x. What is y? Cos of 90 minus theta. First apply the cos. Now cos of 90 minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta is equal to y. What is the y means? Sin theta. These two must and should congruent triangles. Why? Because this is the radius, this is the radius. This is a here base, here base. This one, this one. Those two triangles are congruent triangles 100%. This is the angle is 90 minus theta. Now apply the angle. What is the first one? Cos of 90. This is the cos theta value. This is the sin theta value here. Now this is y. Cos of 90 minus theta equal to y. Sin of 90 minus theta equal x. X means cos. Observe that. 90 cos will be changed into the sin. 90 minus theta, sin will be changed into the cos. Simple, observe that. Tan of 90 minus theta, what happened? Tan of 90 minus theta equal, tan means sin of 90 minus theta by cos of 90 minus theta. That equals sin of 90 minus theta. Sin of 90 minus theta is equal to value cos theta by cos of 90 minus theta value sin theta. Cos by 10 how much? Cot theta. Understood? Now in the same way, now here we will take this one. This is also P, whatever may be P, Q, this is Q. Now draw the perpendicular. First of all, this is also theta. What about the total angle? You know that. From year to year. This is how much? 90. This is how much? Theta. 90 plus theta. Here 90 plus theta. What about this, the coordinate Q? In this one, this is the second coordinate, no problem. No change in this one. Here actually original diagram is this one. This is x comma y. Whenever you rotate this one, automatically changes. X changes into y changes into x. Those two are congruent triangles, no doubt at all. In this one also, these two are same, 100%. This one are congruent, y comma x. But sign will be changes. This is the second coordinate. In the second coordinate, 100% x is, observe that, x negative, y positive. X coordinate is negative, means minus y comma x. Not understand? Understand or not? Minus y comma x. Why? Because this is the second coordinate. Now this value is cos. What is the angle means? 90. What is this angle? 90 plus theta. Cos of 90 plus theta. Cos of 90 plus theta is equal to x coordinate, that equal minus y. What is the value of y? Y is equal to, from here, y is equal to how much? Sin theta. Minus sin theta. Observe that this is the second coordinate. In the second coordinate, what are the positive? Sine and cosecant are the positive. Remaining motion should negative or not? But cos 90 plus theta, which coordinate? 90 plus theta is the lies in second coordinate. Second coordinate cos, motion should negative. Now the second coordinate, why you write the minus y comma x? These two are the congruent triangles or not? Means there is no change in the point on the circle. Y comma x, here y comma x. Why you write the minus y comma x? Why? Because this is in the second coordinate. Second coordinate, x coordinate motion should negative or not? Yes. Say yes or no? All triangles are congruent triangles, no problem. But here whenever you write the terminate, this one is terminate, the x-axis will be changed into the y-axis will be changed into the x-axis here. That's why x comma will be changed into y comma x. This is also, these two are congruent in the same line, same parallel line. This is same line, this is minus y comma x. Say yes or no? With respect to the y-axis. Observe that, what is the minus y value means? Angle is 90 plus theta, cos apply, cos of 90 plus theta, cos of 90 plus theta equal to minus y. What is the value of y is equal to sin theta? In the second coordinate, 90 plus theta is the second coordinate. Second coordinate cos motion should negative. 90 plus theta equal cos of 90 plus theta equal minus sin theta. Say yes or no? Next, 90 plus theta. Second apply, sin of 90 plus theta is equal to x. Say yes or no? Say yes or no? Yes. This is 90 plus theta. Say yes or no? This is x. In this one, this is x means this is x. This is minus y, whatever may be. This is the radius is 1. 90 plus theta means this angle is 90 plus theta. Say? Okay. Now, sin of 90 plus theta equal to x means 90 plus theta means 90 is there, that equal to cos theta. Tan means this one by this one. Now here, now same in the parallel. First of all, we will take this point. What about q dash? Now adding. This is first of all theta. Now draw the perpendicular. What about the coordinates of q? These two in the same axis. This is terminated, but it is not terminated. This is the straight angle. Straight angle means 180 degrees. What about this means? This one and this one are same, but x comma. Here with respect to the y-axis means this is y comma x minus y comma x. These two are congruent. All are congruent angles, no problem. Congruent triangles, no problem at all. But here x-axis in this one, comparison of these two triangles, x-axis will be changed into y-axis will be changed into x-axis. But comparison of these two triangles, no change in the x-axis and y-axis. But sign will be changed. This is x comma y means this is minus x comma y. What about the angle from this one here? This is theta. From this one to this one, how much angle means? Straight angle means 180 degrees. Total from here to, observe that, here to here how much? Here to here actually 180. Something theta is there. This angle is 180 minus theta. Here 180 minus theta. First we apply the cos cos of 180 minus theta is equal to how much? Minus x. Here minus x comma y, minus x. X means cos theta. You observe that one, you think observe. Second coordinate only sign cosecant positive. Here cos, in the second coordinate cos is negative. Here second coordinate cos is negative. Cos 100% negative answer. Cos 100%. You didn't remember this one. Cos value negative or not. That is the sin or tan, whatever may be. This is negative. This is negative. Now apply. Say yes or no. What happened this one? Sin of 180 minus theta. In this one also, this is 180 minus theta means sin definition, opposite side. That equal to x. That equal to y. This is y. This is equal to what is y? Y means sin theta. Sin of 180 minus theta equals sin theta. Now here you will take this one. What happened? Now we will take the point here, this one. Here this is theta per suppose. Up to, sorry, this one is theta. Up to from here to here, how much? 270. Less than means this is 270 minus theta. What are the coordinates of this one? 100%. This one, this is x-axis. Y-axis will be terminated as y-axis, x-axis. This is the third coordinate. Third coordinate must and should comparison of this one. These two. This is minus y comma x. In third coordinate both are negative. This is minus y minus x. This is cos value. This is sin value. Cos of, what happened this one? Cos of 270 minus theta is equal to minus y. What is the minus y means? Minus sin theta. Sin of 270 minus theta is equal to minus x. 270 minus theta, you apply the cos, apply the sin. This is cos value, this is sin value. Here from this one. Cos theta equal. First value is cos theta, second value is sin theta. Now, this is equal to minus x means minus cos theta. Tan of 270 minus theta is equal to, tan means sin by cos. Sin by cos. Minus cos theta by sin by cos. This value is minus sin theta. Minus cos by sin. What happened? That equal cot theta. Tan of 270. Why in the third coordinate? In the third coordinate tan is positive. Here tan is positive. What happened this one? Observe that. What is the angle of this one? Now this is 270 minus theta means 100%. This is 270 plus theta. What are the coordinates of this one? In this one, this is the fourth coordinate. Comparison of this one and this one. In the fourth coordinate x positive, y negative. X positive. X coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative. Y coordinate is negative. Means y comma minus x. Same y comma x, y comma minus x. Y coordinate is negative. Now cos of here. Observe that. 270 plus theta, cos apply. That equal to y. Cos of 270 plus theta is equal to y. Y means what is? Sin theta. Plus theta, that equal to y. Fourth coordinate, which one is the positive? Cos is the positive. Observe that cos is positive. Now next one. Sin of 270 plus theta is equal to how much? Minus x. That equal to minus cos theta. In fourth coordinate, sin negative means minus cos theta. Okay, you remember how to do this one, you remember. Okay, some students feel some difficult, no problem. What are the first, in this one, what you remember means, which angle lies in which coordinate. Just I am asking, this one 270 minus theta, here 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 180 minus theta, here next 180 plus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta, here another angle is also there. Here, for suppose you will take here, you will take in this one. This is theta. Up to 180, this is 180 plus theta. No problem at all. Parallel to this one. For suppose here you will take, what happened this one? Up to here, 360 here means this is 360 minus theta. Say yes or no? Now you remember that 90 minus theta, which coordinate? 90 minus theta, which coordinate? Next, this is 360 means again here. You write this is also 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta must and should in the first coordinate also. 360 plus theta is acute angle, you remember. But suppose n into 360 plus theta, any one, cos of is equal to only cos theta. where theta is acute angle, n is the positive integer, person n value 3 or 4 whatever may be, this theta is acute angle, cos of n into 360 plus theta equal cos theta, sin of n into 360 plus theta equal sin theta, where theta is acute angle. For suppose cos 750, I write cos of 2 into 360 plus 2 into 3 720 plus 30. Observe that cos of n into 360 plus theta, that equal cos theta, this is theta, that equal cos 30. Cos 30 is how much? Root 3 by 2. Understood or not? You remember? Each and every one you remember how to write cos of n into cos 360 plus theta. N is the number of root positive integer, 2 or 3 or whatever may be. Say yes or no? After that, for suppose we will find, this is, you remember, 90 minus theta, which coordinate? Next 360 plus theta. Here 360 means above 360 plus theta. Theta is acute angle. 90 minus theta, 360 plus theta in the first coordinate are positive. What are the angles in the second coordinate? 90 plus theta in the second coordinate, 180 minus theta in the second coordinate. For suppose you will do the 135 degrees. 135 degrees. In which coordinate? Second coordinate. 210. 210, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta. Third coordinate, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta. Which coordinate? Fourth coordinate. You must remember the allied angles. Those allied angles lies in which coordinate? First you remember. Otherwise, we cannot do any problems in the trigonometric functions. Please. Okay, just I will write again, once again I will write each and every one, which angles are there in that one. After that we will do every one. Some tricks, I will explain some tricks. I think most of the students understood. In this one, the concept first we remember. After that, how to remember these all things. This is the important topic. Otherwise we cannot do anything. Now this is the vertical line, this is the horizontal, x axis, y axis. Now already I told all silver tea cups. What are the allied angles in this one? 90 minus theta, 360 plus theta. In this one, 90 plus theta, 360 minus, 180 minus theta. What about in this one? Already before I explained. 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta. What about the angles in the fourth coordinate? 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta. Now I will explain the working rule. What I am explaining means, whenever first property, when 90 plus or minus theta or 270 plus or minus theta, the allied angles 90 plus or minus theta or 270 plus or minus theta occurs, the sign will be changed into cos, cos will be changed into the sine. When the allied angles 90 plus or minus theta or 270 plus or minus theta occurs, the sine will be changed into the cos, cos will be changed into the sine. Similarly, tan will be changed into the cot, cot will be changed into the tan. Already I explained. Sine of 90 minus theta that equal cos theta. Sine will be changed into cos, cos will be changed into the tan. Already I explained before we see once the video. What happened? Sine of 180 minus theta, that is sin theta only. Cos of 180 minus theta minus cos theta. No change in the trigonometric function. Okay. Now, secant will be changed into the cosecant, cosecant will be changed into secant. Whenever 90 plus theta, 90 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 270 minus theta. Sine will be changed into the cos, cos will be changed to the sine. Understood? Now, when 180 plus or minus theta or 360 plus or minus theta. 180 plus theta or 180 minus theta, 360 plus theta, 360 minus theta. No change in the trigonometric ratio. Means sine means sine. No change. Sine means sine. Cos will be cos. Tan will be tan. Cot will be cot. Secant will be secant. Cosecant will be cosecant. This is. First, how to apply. Listen carefully. For suppose I am asking, for suppose sine of, first you remember the in radians also. 90 means pi by 2, 180 means pi, 270 means 3 pi by 2, 360 means 2 pi in radian values. For suppose sine of 270 minus theta. What happened? Sine of 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta is allied angle, 100%. 270 minus theta. First, what you thinking means 270 minus theta. What is the angle here? 270 minus theta. First, we observe that 270 minus theta lies in which coordinate? Actually, 270. Here, observe that. Suppose otherwise, you draw the diagram. Here, 0, 90, 180, 270. Here, 360. Immediately, you draw 270 minus theta. Here, 270. 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta means this side. This side means which coordinate? 1, 2. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Every student easily understand. This is 270. 270 minus theta is there. Means which coordinate? Third coordinate. In the third coordinate, all silver tea cups. In third coordinate, what are the positive? Tan is positive. Tan and cot positive. But here, sine is there. Sine must and should negative, 100% negative. But here 270. Whenever 270 is there, sine will be changed into cos. This value is equal to cos theta. Where theta is 100% acute angle. Where theta 100% acute angle. 270 minus theta equal minus cos theta. Not understood? Understood? First you have to show the LID. What is the angle? 270 minus theta. Now here 270. 270 minus theta. Which coordinate? Third coordinate. Third coordinate, all silver teacups. In third coordinate, tan positive. But here, sine is there. Sine 100% negative. What is the answer? Sine or cos? 270 is there. Whenever 270 will get, the sine will be changed into the cos. Okay, other one. I'm thinking, first 180 plus theta. Now you have to 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. 180 plus theta. Here, 180 plus theta. Plus theta means this side or this side? Exactly this is 180. Below means 90 to 180. Below. 180 minus theta means below. 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta means which coordinate? Third coordinate. Third coordinate cos. Third coordinate cos negative. 180 is there. Whenever 180 plus theta or 180 minus theta, 360 plus theta, 360 minus theta, the trigonometric ratios never changes. Cos means cos. Cos theta. Understand? No? Yes or no? Say yes or no? Yes. You write another one, for suppose. First we observe that 90 plus theta. Which coordinate? Here 90. 90 minus theta first coordinate. 90 minus theta first coordinate. 90 plus theta second coordinate. 90 minus theta first coordinate. 90 plus theta second coordinate. 90 plus theta which coordinate? Second coordinate. In the second coordinate what is the positive? Sine positive. But this is tan. Tan is 100% negative. 90 is there. 90 plus theta, 90 minus theta. 90 plus theta, 90 minus theta. Tan will be changes into the cot. The answer is cot. Don't by heart, just general thinking. Here you will write this one. You will see once. For suppose here, secant of 270 minus theta. Here, 270 minus theta which coordinate? Third coordinate. Third coordinate secant is negative. Secant will be changes into cosecant. Secant will be changes into cosecant. Cosecant theta. Say yes or no? Say yes or no? Yes. Now we will find the some trigonometric values. Understood or not? All silver tea cups. What about the first coordinate? 90 minus theta, 360 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 90 plus theta in second coordinate, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta in the fourth coordinate. First simple. What the working rule means here? First write here. How to write the working rule? This one. Okay. Keep in mind each and every formula must and should keep in mind. For suppose you can find the trigonometric ratio, trigonometric values, those values must and should write in the either sum or difference of the quadrant angles only. For suppose in the examination point of what are the quadrant angles? 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. For suppose below 360 value you can find, for suppose. Those values must and should, you will write the either sum or difference of the quadrant angles. For suppose you can find the value of sine 120, for suppose this one. Sine 120. We cannot write the 60 plus 60. 60 plus 60 also 120, no doubt at all. We cannot write. This 120 can be write as, we will write as a sum or difference of the quadrant angles. 120 nearby, which one is there? Quadrant angles, either 90 or 180, no problem at all. 90 or 180. This can be write as 90 plus 30 or 180 minus 60, no problem. 90 plus 30 degrees or 180 minus 60 degrees, those two right. But you cannot write the 50 plus 70. 50 or 70, any quadrant angle is there? No. Understood or not? 100% every trigonometric value before 360, below 360 not, whatever may be, every trigonometric value must and should, we can find any trigonometric value, we will find that first we will convert it into the either sum or difference of the quadrant angles. Sum or difference of the quadrant angles. Now here write 120 is there. 120 degrees in two ways. 120 degrees. Here 0 to 90, 90 to 180. In the second coordinate, 100% in the second coordinate. 120 degrees in the second coordinate. Second coordinate means 90 plus theta means 90 plus 30 degrees or 180 minus 60 degrees. Both way we will do, no problem at all. We get the answer. 120 degrees write as 90, 180. 90, 180 are the quadrant angles. 90 plus 180 minus. Now this one sine of 90 plus 30. Now observe that 90 plus theta, which coordinate? Second coordinate. Second coordinate, what is the positive? Sine positive. Yes, sine positive means plus. 90 is there. Whenever 90 will get 90 plus theta, whenever we will get the 90 plus theta, sine will be changed into the cos. Cos 30 degrees. What is the value of cos 30 means? Root 3 by 2. Say yes or no? Sine of 90 plus, first observe that already I told you 90 plus theta which coordinate? In second coordinate. Second coordinate is sine is positive. Yes, 90 plus theta is there. Sine will be changed into cos. Cos 30 degrees, that equal root 3 by 2. Now we will write another way also. That equals sine of 180 minus 60. Now 180 minus theta. First you observe that 180 minus theta which coordinate? Second coordinate. In second coordinate what about the sign? Positive. 180 is there. 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 360 plus theta, 360 minus theta. No change in the trigonometric ratio. Sine means sine. That equals sine 60. Sine 60 means how much? Sine 60 how much? Root 3 by 2. Sine 120 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Now we find the sine 135. How to write 135? How to write this one? Sine of 90 plus 45. Or 180 minus 45. No problem at all. 90 plus theta. Which coordinate? Second coordinate. Second coordinate sine is positive plus sine 45. Sine 45 means 1 by root 2. Means sine 135 value is equal to 1 by root 2. Now we will take the cos per suppose. Cos 120 first. Remember the values, each and every value. Cos 120 degrees we will write the 90 plus 30, 90 plus 30 or 180 minus 60. Cos of 90 plus 30. This is 90 degrees plus 30 degrees. 90 plus theta, which coordinate? Second coordinate. Second coordinate cos is negative. 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta means cos will be changed into the sine. That equals sine 30. Sine 30 is, you remember the value, sine 30 is 1 by 2. What happened? That is cos 120 is equal to how much? Minus 1 by 2. Next, cos 135. Cos 135 is equal to cos of whatever, maybe you write the 90 plus or 180 minus. 135 means second coordinate. Second coordinate, what are the allied angles? So 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta. This is 90 plus 45 degrees. 90 plus theta. Which coordinate 90 plus theta? Second coordinate. Second coordinate cos is negative. 90 is there. Whenever 90 will get, cos will be changed into the 90 plus theta. Cos will be changed the sine. What the angle theta means? 45 degrees. Always theta 100%. That one minus sine 45, that equal minus 1 by root 2. Cos 135 is equal, cos 135 degrees is equal how much means? Minus 1 by root 2. You remember each and every value mostly. Don't neglect that one. For suppose, in the examination point of view, tan asking how much? Tan 120. Same we will find. Right, tan 120, tan of 90 plus 30 degrees. Every trigonometric ratio you will write the either sum or difference of the quadrant angles only. 90 plus 120 degrees. Keep in mind 120 means the second coordinate means 90 plus theta or 180 minus theta. We will write in that way only. 90 plus theta which coordinate? In the second coordinate is tan is negative. 90 plus theta is there. Tan will be changed into the cot 30. Cot 30 value is equal to how much? That equal tan 60 is root 3. Simple. Simple, you will find any value. This is sin 135 1 by root 2 means cosecant 135. Cosecant 135 root 2. Cos 120 equal minus 1 by 2 means secant 120 is equal minus 2. Cos 135 minus 1 by root 2. Secant 135 is equal minus root 2. Tan 120 is equal minus root 3 means cot 120 is equal minus 1 by root 3. Same way. Now we will find, we will try the values 210, cos 210, cos 240. How to write? 180 plus 30, 180 plus 30, 180 plus 60 or 270 minus 30, whatever may be. Okay. Now tan 300, tan 330. Now we will find the values of those trigonometric values. Say yes or no? For suppose, we will find the one more. For suppose, in the examination point of view, I will explain the two methods. More than 360 is given. What happened? More than 360 is given. What happened? For suppose, in the examination point of view, already before I explained. Again we will change, no problem at all. First, sine minus (1110), sine of minus 1110 degrees. I will explain in two ways, two methods. First shortcut method, first general method, after that shortcut method. Sine of minus 1110. First you remove the negative symbol. A negative symbol means not in this way. Remove. What is the formula we know? First, what is the first step? We remove the negative symbol by using the proper formula. We remove the negative symbol by using the proper formula. Next step, the trigonometric value can be expressed. The trigonometric value means the degrees. The degree can be expressed. The degree can be expressed n into 90 plus or minus theta in this way. The degree can be expressed n into 90 plus or minus theta. In that way we can express, where n is positive integer means 1, 2, 3 so on n. Theta 100% acute angle. Understood? This will be right as n into 90 plus or minus theta. Understood or not? Next, third one. Second step is this one. Third step, if n is odd means n3, n5, n1, n7, whatever n is odd. If n is odd, Sine will be changed into cos, cos will be changed into the sine. Tan will be changed into the cot, cot will be changed into the tan. Secant will be changed into the cosecant, cosecant will be changed into the secant. If n is even, there is no change in the trigonometric ratio. There is no change. Means sine, sine, cos, cos, whatever may be. This you will follow these steps, you will find any value very easily. Very, very easily. You follow these steps. Any problem, any trigonometric value, you will find any trigonometric value by following these steps. First we remove the negative sign, means by formula. This is sine minus theta. Sine minus theta formula? Sine minus theta formula. You know the sine minus theta formula? Minus sine theta. That is called minus sine 1, 1, 1, 0. Say son. After that, it write into the product of 90s. Now, 1000 place we will remove. 111 is there. You write the ninth table. Ninth table we will write. 90, 19, 19. Okay, 111 when you get n into 90. Okay, per suppose 10 into 90. 11, 12 nines are, per suppose 12 into 90. Now here write the ninth table. 12 nines are how much? 12 nines are 108. Means 1080. Nearby this one. 111, 108. Say yes or no? Now we write, how to write this one? 110 is equal to 12 into 90 plus 30 degrees. 12 nines are 108 means 1080 plus 30. 1080 plus 30 how much? This one. Why write the 30 means 1080 plus 1. Now apply. That equal minus sine. Understood or not? 110. That equal minus sine 12 into 90 plus 30. Here n is positive. N is even. N is even means sign will be changed or not? No change at all. Means now which coordinate lies? First after that we will find n is equal to integer. Third step we will find that degree value lies in which coordinate. First of all we find the given degrees lies in which coordinate we find. Now here observe that. Now here n is even. N is even means remainder is equal to 0. For suppose you can calculate. This is first 90. 90 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus means more than this one. 90 here 0 to 90. 190 means here 2, 3, 4. Again fresh start. 490s means 360 degrees. One rotation completed. Again 4. Remainder is 0. Plus 30 means again first coordinate. Per suppose here 1190s are there. 1190s means what happened? 1190s. 11 is divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. Remaining how much? 3 is remainder is 3. Per suppose this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, 3. 3 plus, per suppose remainder is 3 means plus 30 means fourth coordinate. Minus means third coordinate. Not understood? Here plus is there means after that one. Okay, 12 is there, per suppose 12 means we divide by 4. Why means 1, 2, 3, 490 is a 360. After 360 again fresh start. One rotation complete means again fresh. Means divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. Remainder means 0. 3 complete rotations, after that again fresh start. Complete means again fresh start means which coordinate? Whenever here 12 is there, multiples of 4, per suppose even number is multiples of 4, immediately go to the first coordinate. Per suppose 6, what happened? Per suppose here, sine 6 into 90 plus 30, what happened? 6. Per suppose, what is the meaning of 6? Means 6 is divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. Remainder is how much? 2. 0, 1, 2. Now this angle is second or third? Remainder is 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the remainders. 0, 1, 2, 3. Here remainder is 2. 2 remainder means